In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Tag Manager from your website. Whether you're looking to streamline your website's code, troubleshoot a particular issue, or simply no longer need the functionality provided by Google Tag Manager, this guide will walk you through the process step by step in a clear and concise manner. First, let's talk about what Google Tag Manager or GTM actually is. It's a powerful tool that helps you manage and deploy marketing tags on your website without having to alter the code every time you make an update. These tags are small snippets of code, and they are used for functionalities like tracking or analytics, among others. But if you've decided that it's time to remove GTM, here's how you'll do it. The first step in this process is to locate the GTM container code on your website. This is usually a bit of JavaScript that tells your site to run the tags you've set up in Google Tag Manager. Typically, you'll find the GTM container code in two places within your website's HTML. The first spot you'll want to check is the head section of your HTML document. You might find it nestled among other scripts that control things like your website's appearance and interactive features. Next, you'll look for it right after the opening body tag. This is the second most common placement for the GTM code. So to summarize, in most cases you'll discover the GTM container code both in the head section and right after the opening body tag. You need to find and remove both instances for a complete removal. Once you have carefully scoured these code areas for the GTM snippets, the next step is to remove them from your website's HTML. Just select the lines of code associated with Google Tag Manager and delete them. Make sure you only remove the GTM related code and not any other vital parts of your website's HTML accidentally. After removing the container code from both the head section and the body opening section, save the changes to your HTML files. This part is crucial. Only after saving can your site operate with the newly adjusted code. Most website platforms offer a simple save or publish function that seamlessly updates your live site with the changes made. Finally, once you've saved and published the updated version of your website, it's always a good idea to double check to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. Load your site in a fresh browser session or clear your cache to see the latest version. That way you can be sure that the Google Tag Manager code has been successfully removed and that your website performs properly without it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily and effectively remove Google Tag Manager from your website. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.